gonna do any good from this far away.
She found it.
Did she see you?
Yeah, she's already waving.
Where's your mom?
She's sick.
When did she come down with it?
She's had it this weekend, but she didn't go to the doctor until yesterday. She was like, oh, it'll go away, and it just got worse and worse.
I just went Monday because I could tell it was going to be the same thing I had last year.
She said, this is the worst I felt in a long time.
Yeah.
Look at that red
Hold on, my camera's gonna zoom in that far.
Look. Look.
Babe, my phone won't zoom in that far.
Lisa up there with her arm.
And yours zooms in. I need a better camera.
That one get
Would that person move? Yeah, it's not doing anything, baby. It's not bad, but
Okay, let's start singing.
Hey, boys and girls, are you ready for our story? This is a story about when Jesus was born in Bethlehem. It's a story about light. It's a true story, and it happened over 2,000 years ago.
Let's get Aunt Julie.
And before I was born, and even before your grandma and grandpa were born.
Oh my gosh.
As everyone knows, Mary and Joseph took a long trip on a donkey to get to Bethlehem. And while they were there,
I don't know.
Practice this for
what's supposed to be going on right now?
I don't know.
Mary and Joseph took a long trip on a donkey to get to Bethlehem. And while they were there, baby Jesus was born. A huge choir of angels and a bright light appeared to some shepherds nearby and started singing. One of the angels told the shepherds to leave their flocks and to go see baby Jesus. So they left their sheep and ran all the way to Bethlehem. When they saw the baby, they knew that this was a very special baby.
Put that thing on. Look at you. She doesn't look very happy.
The shepherds stayed as long as they could, but finally it was time for them to leave. So they said goodbye to Mary, Joseph, and the baby. Then the shepherds went back to the fields and flocks, praising God.
Mom doesn't get into it, does she? She never does.
Took baby Jesus to the temple in Jerusalem. And while they were there, an old man named Simeon took Jesus
looks very
in his arms
reserved,
and
She
said,
doesn't
"He is the light that will shine upon the
She does this every
nations,
time she gets
and
on
he will
stage.
be the glory of your people
Like her
Israel."
mama.
Mary and Joseph were
Yeah.
amazed. And then a prophetess named Anna, who was very, very old, came along, and she also began thanking God for the baby, along with Simeon. She said that Jesus was the Messiah that the Jews had been waiting for hundreds of years. Mary and Joseph were even more amazed.
She's probably worn out from the park.
About that time, some wise men from the east noticed a very bright star shining in the sky. They figured out that it must be the star of the newborn king. So they left their home and followed it for about 2 years.
Did she sing it?
She is just not into this. She's always behind everybody else too. Is that kid slow?
Pay attention to the audience.
Is that kid slow?
No.
When they finally got to Jerusalem, they looked high
She's not even looking this way.
and they looked low,
She's not
but
doing
they didn't
anything.
find the baby. So the wise men went to King Herod to see if he knew anything.
She's just looking beautiful. That's all she's doing.